Hey there, it's Kim, and I need to share something that's been a complete game changer for me at 53 years old, working my corporate job during the day and managing my family's responsibilities. I never thought that I would find the time to build an additional income, but then I discovered the power of nighttime side hustles. My best month, I made an extra $4,200 working just 2 to 3 hours after everyone else in my house went to bed. These aren't jobs that require you to be awake all night long, because I'm past working till 1 o'clock in the morning. I'm too old for that. These are strategic side hustles that you can do in the evening hours while the house is quiet. And if you're working full-time right now and wondering how you'll ever find time to build an additional income, this video is for you. I'm sharing 7 side hustles that you can do at night, including the one that's generating the most income for me right now. If we haven't met yet, maybe it's your first time here. My name is Kim, wife of 22 years, mom of 5, grandmother to 1, and someone who's been searching for ways to build financial security while managing a full-time job and family responsibilities. The reality is, if you are 40 or over, and maybe even 30 or over, you don't have an unlimited supply of time, even when you're working a 9 to 5. You're taking care of your family, managing your household. But in those evenings from 8 to 11 p.m., that's our golden time. So today I'm sharing 7 side hustles that are perfect for night owls or people who just need work around your day job. First nighttime side hustle is freelance writing. Now, if you're a writer, it requires some focus and quiet time, which is exactly what most people have in the evening when the kids go to sleep. Many businesses need content created. They don't care when you write it. Income potential could be anywhere from $20 to $75 per hour, depending on the niche and experience. The best part is, if you are a little older, you already have decades of professional writing experience. Whether it's an email or report, presentation, you can sign up today for companies like Upwork, Contently, or Freelancer. You can create samples in your area of expertise so that companies can get an idea of how you write. The second nighttime side hustle is virtual booking. It's detail-oriented work that's perfect for quiet evening hours. Small businesses need this service. It can be done completely remotely. Income potential could be anywhere from $25 to $55 an hour, with potential for ongoing monthly clients. If you're a little older, many of us have managed budgets, tracked expenses, or handle financial tasks in our corporate job. To get started, you could take a QuickBooks certification course, which can be done completely online, and offer services to local small businesses. You can use platforms like Belay or Time, etc. to find your clients. You could start with simple data entry and grow your skills from there, depending on the client. The third nighttime side hustle is online tutoring. Evening hours are when students are available for help with homework and test prep. You can tutor from anywhere with a computer. Your income potential could be anywhere from $15 to $60 per hour, depending on the subject and the level. Here's the thing, especially if you have a family, you have to learn patience, right? Teaching ability. Sometimes we often have an expertise that we don't realize in subjects that students struggle in. You could sign up for specific platforms like tutor.com, Preply, and Wisezeng. And of course, you choose subjects to tutor in that you feel most comfortable. 5 to 15 hours a week could generate up to $300 to $900 every single week. Next, we have social media management. Social media content can be created and scheduled in advance. Evening hours are actually prime time. You can earn anywhere from $3,000 to $2,000 per month per client, depending on the provided. To get started, all you need to do is learn basic social media tools like HotSuite or Buffer and offer services to local businesses. You can create content packages like posts and graphics and engagement. All you need is one client to start, and then you can just build from there. I actually had a friend of mine do this, and she had a couple clients and got paid a couple $1,000s every single month. Next, we have customer service chat support. Many companies offer 24/7 customer support. You can earn anywhere from $12 to $20 per hour with potential bonuses for performance. You can go ahead and apply with certain companies, Chat Shop or Mod Squad. They're looking for part-time evening positions. Many positions even provide training. Next, we have selling online course. If you're going to create a course, it requires a lot of focus, a lot of time, a lot of planning, recording, editing. Evening hours provide the quiet environment needed for quality content creation. You can earn anywhere from $100 per course all the way up to $10,000 with the potential for ongoing passive income. Here's the thing, if you're a little older and you have mastered your job, people may want a course from you and learn from what you know. Your decades of experience become the course content. You've not only mastered your job and have real solutions and proven expertise that people will pay to learn. For example, maybe you're a real estate agent. How many realtors want to know the skills that you know that took you years to know? Maybe you can package that up into a course and sell that course and create a YouTube channel all about real estate. You can use platforms like Teachable, Thinkific, or Udemy to actually host these courses. And you could start with a simple course and build from there. Focus on solving specific problems that you've overcome yourself. For example, maybe you had a stellar year one year and maybe you sold one house every month. You could create a course on how exactly you did that. What was your marketing like? Did you use the phone? How did you generate potential clients? People will pay for that. If you're successful, people will pay for what you know. And the seventh and the most powerful nighttime side hustle is digital or affiliate marketing. This business model is designed for people who work full time. Why? Is because everything is automated. Everything is done for you. So you can focus on building your business in the evening and it works for you 24/7. The income potential could be anywhere from $2,000 a month all the way up to tens of thousands of dollars a month with 100% profit margin. Because you know what? Maybe you're like me and you don't want to spend months trying to create a course. You don't need to. Here's the thing. If you want to make money online, you have to have something to sell. If you do not know what to sell, we have the perfect program for you because everything is done for you. The websites, the product is already created. The only thing you have to focus on is marketing. And the best part is we have the most current, up-to-date marketing that will work for you 24/7 on any social media platform. All you have to do is select the social media platform that you want to promote on, and we teach you how to sell. And then we teach you how to market your program. Imagine earning $100 a day, $300 a day, $600 a day, $900 a day, even $1,400 a day. How would that change your life? Would you be able to breathe a little easier? Would that help your retirement? Would that help you pay for your children's college education? Maybe it would help you leave your 9 to 5. And this is my main nighttime side hustle. And my best month was $4,200 just working 2 hours a day in the evening while working my full-time job. Professional websites already built and proven to sell. And here's the thing, if you don't like selling, this is perfect for you because the websites do the selling for you so you don't have to. And when you make a commission, that commission goes directly into your bank account, not to someone else's. You're not sharing profits with anyone. What you do is create content during the evening hours, and we show you exactly how to do that. There's no inventory, shipping, customer service headache. And here's the thing. This used to be my evening routine. It's now my morning routine because at my full-time job, I started working remote. It was easier to get stuff done earlier in the morning, at least for me, right? So while I used to work evenings, I now get everything done during the day. So my evenings are free. Here's just a sample schedule. From 7 to 8 a.m., I would create my content, and it could be just a video on YouTube. It could be on TikTok. And then during my lunch break at work, I would follow up with people. I would answer questions. I would engage with people on social media. If you can find 2 hours a day, and it could be different every day. Like, do I work at 7 a.m. every single day? No, because maybe I slept in, or maybe something else happened that I had to work on. But you have the freedom to work when you want and where you want. If you want to know exactly how all this works, step by step, click on the link in the description below, and I have a free masterclass for you, and it just goes over everything from beginning to end, so you can see if this is a fit for you, see if it makes sense, see if earning up to $1,400 a day makes sense for you. So which side hustle makes the perfect sense for you? Let me know in the description below. Maybe you're going to try freelance writing, maybe bookkeeping, maybe online tutoring or social media, or as a customer service. Or if you want the highest income potential, digital marketing is my top recommendation because it has the highest income potential that you control. When you work your 9 to 5, do you have control of your income? That's something that I've struggled with for as long as I was working my job. I hated the fact that I couldn't control the income that I made, but I love that I have this business because I can control that. So maybe instead of watching TV, you do something that creates an income. The question is, are you willing to invest in yourself, invest time to changing your family's financial future? So in the event you're like me, in a situation where you recently get laid off, you have a backup plan. Because what would happen if you lost your job? Would you be okay if you didn't and couldn't find another job for 6 months, maybe a year, maybe 2 years? Especially if you're in your 50s. The older you get, the harder it is to find another job, which is why I had a backup. Don't let this be another video you watch and forget. Choose one side hustle that resonates with you and take that first step to know, are you ready to invest in building something that could provide an income for years to come? If you are, I urge you to click on the link in the description below, and don't forget to subscribe.